Welcome to this week's Family Health Minute. This week's minute looks at how home cleaning products may be killing us. People have been disinfecting every surface in their homes since the World Health Organization, WHO, declared a COVID-19 pandemic on March 11, 2020. A 16% to 20% increase in calls to poison control centers has been reported due to exposure to cleaning solutions people are using to disinfect. One of the biggest culprits are people mixing over-the-counter cleaning products they are using. Mixing chemicals can cause a reaction that produces dangerous and even fatal fumes. If you are looking to thoroughly disinfect a surface, you need to begin with a clean surface. Soap and water prove to be the best options for cleaning up dirt and grime. Soap also inactivates viruses. Here are 3 solutions that effectively disinfect surfaces. Alcohol-based disinfectants contain either ethyl alcohol or isopropyl alcohol at different levels of strength. Alcohol kills bacteria and also addresses fungi and viruses at concentrations above 60%. Chlorine bleach kills bacteria, viruses, and fungi, but is also known to irritate your mucous membranes and form deadly gases when exposed to heat or light. Bleach also requires 10 to 60 minutes of contact to disinfect surfaces. Hydrogen peroxide at concentrations of 1% to 7.5% as opposed to bleach doesn't produce any dangerous compounds. A better alternative is accelerated hydrogen peroxide, AHP, which works faster at killing viruses. Cleaning and disinfecting surfaces are meant to help reduce the spread of viral and bacterial infections. Another way to reduce your potential for infection is to protect your immune system. Keep your immune system functioning optimally with a nutritious diet, regular exercise, quality sleep, a positive attitude, and regular chiropractic care. Make chiropractic a regular health habit for the whole family to ensure your spines and nervous systems are working the best they can. And that is this week's Family Health Minute.